your wheel head, when you first put a bit of clay on, it just needs to be sort of fairly dryish. Slap it on, try and get it in the centre a bit. Plenty of water on your hands, cop hold of the clay, and first of all breathe. That's the first thing. Breathe when you're making something. You'll notice that when I'm throwing, my hands are never working separately. They're always touching. Even if it's just a little tiny touch, they're always touching. They're working as one. They work as one. I'll start crying in a minute. It doesn't matter what size you are. It doesn't matter how strong you are. It's all about technique. And you begin to learn your own technique. And hey, you never know. You might even learn something about yourself. And just have fun. You're going to be useless at first. Maybe you won't. But don't be disheartened, because that's what it's all about. Just learning. So that's it really. Easy, isn't it?
I didn't really know what to expect, and I found it hard to kind of process everything that's been going on, because everything has just been like wow, 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 wow. And the clay workshop was just brilliant.
It's been brilliant. Came thinking that I was going to be really nervous, being on the wheel, and probably not come away with very much, but come away with so much more than I could have imagined really. Keith was brilliant, the tour was brilliant, and yeah, ready to come back again.
It's been a really good experience. It's nice to get practical experience of clay, as well as having a look at how everything's made too.
It's been a really good opportunity to learn about the clay and to have a course that we can physically get shown how to use clays.
It's been brilliant. I mean, I don't normally get a chance to go out and do something, so having an opportunity to come here, which I've never been to, and let alone do a workshop and meet Keith, great.
Just started using Dryad products in this new school, and I think the company is so personal and they've made really great connections with the school so far, so it's been fab to use them.